Students, now we can learn the fourth question. Two triangles are QPR and QSR, right angled at P and S respectively, are drawn on the same base QR and on the same side of QR. Okay, so this QR is the same base for this two triangle, and one of the sides of this two triangle is QR. If PR and SQ intersect at T, prove that PT into TR is equal to ST into TQ. Okay, we can draw the triangle first, QPR and QSR, and this intersecting lines PR and SQ intersect at T. We can draw this all in the solution part and try to prove. Okay, you see the diagram now. Using the given information, we can draw the diagram. First, PQR and QSR, not T. PQR and QSR are the two triangles. In the question itself given QPR. Okay, QPR and QSR, the right angled triangle at P and S. In these two triangles, the right angle 90 degrees, vertex P and vertex S. Okay, in these two angles are 90 degree. Then one more condition is given. You see, if PR and SQ intersect at T, PR and SQ intersect at T. Okay, we want to prove this condition. Before that, it is given for drawing the diagram, they given drawn on the same base QR on the same side QR. You see, this QR is the side, one of the side of both triangle. Also, it is the base of the triangles. Okay, that is the diagram. From the diagram, for doing the sum, we can separate the necessary triangles. Okay, it is not compulsory. You can draw the necessary triangle for doing the sum. If you can write from this diagram, you write it there, that way itself it is enough. Those who need the extra diagram, you draw these two. Okay, now you see, first you consider this and this triangle. Okay, these two triangles you consider. In these two triangle, angle P is equal to angle S. It is given 90 degree. Then since this PR line intersect with SQ and make this point T, these two are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles also equal. Okay, so we get these two angles are equal in both triangles. So we can say the triangles are similar. Okay, so triangle PQT is similar to triangle SRT. You see how I given the name PQT. P, this vertex have an angle 90 degree. Then T is the common vertex for both triangle. Okay, so this here also you start from S, and that vertex only have 90 degree. So SRT. Okay, now these two the triangles are similar. Okay, now so since the triangles are similar, normally we will choose the corresponding sides are proportional. Like that way we can choose the two sides ratios, and we can prove this question. Okay, you see the answer now. Consider the triangle PQT and SRT. Angle P equal to angle S equal to 90 degree, it is given. Okay, these two angles. If you are drawing the diagram separately, PQT, it is this triangle PQT. Next one, SRT. This is SRT, this triangle. Okay, these two triangles only we need to do the sum. Okay, here angle P and angle S 90 degree. Then these two angles, I said these two are vertically. Here you can mark like that. Okay, vertically opposite angles are only these two, this T. So the T angles are equal. So we can write PTQ and PT. So STR. Okay, don't change the order. PTQ, we start from this 90 degree. Like that way, STR equal to, these two angles are equal. The reason vertically opposite angles. Since these two set of angles are equal, we can say by AA criteria of similarity, the triangles are similar. Okay, PQT and triangle PQT and triangle SRT. Okay, be careful in the order. Therefore, the corresponding sides are proportional. Now, since the proportionality sides, the sides are proportional, we can choose the ratios. PT, you see the side PT, one vertex contain the 90 degree, another one is having the equal angle. Okay, PT, P have the 90 degree and T have the equal angle, like the same. ST, S 90 degree, T equal angle. Okay, so this side, the ratio you consider like this way: PT divided by ST equal to T cube divided by TR. Okay, it is the hypotenuse of the side of this triangle. Okay, these two are the right triangle. QT and TR we are considering are the hypotenuse. Okay, this is the particular result we are proving. So you be careful to choose the ratio. Okay, the previous sums they given the measure. So from that we can find out which are the ratios are easy to choose. We can find out, but here the measures are not given. So which are the sides you have to choose for proving the result. You be careful. So this side, one vertex is at 90, another is this equal angle. So with this corresponding is this ST. Okay. Then next one is the hypotenuse. Okay, 90 degrees. So this is a hypotenuse. 90 degrees. So this TR is the hypotenuse. Okay. So TQ divided by TR. Understand? TQ divided by TR. Okay. PT divided by ST equal to T cube divided by TR. Now you cross multiply. So you will get PT into TR equal to ST into TQ. PT into TR equal to ST into TQ. That is only we want to prove. So we got the result. Okay. So you be careful to choose the ratio. Then you will get the result correctly. Don't choose the other side. Okay. Don't choose PQ or SR. Okay. You be careful to choose. You will get the answer.